My client was offered $12,000, and after we filed a lawsuit and litigated the case, they offered the policy limits of $100,000.
What does liability mean in an auto accident injury case?
Liability is who's at fault for an accident. So if there's a question, there's an accident happens at an intersection, who's to blame? Is it the person who had right of way? That's the most straightforward way to put it. Is who did the wrong thing at the wrong time.
What is comparative negligence, and why does it affect me?
Comparative negligence is the division of fault. Someone could be 100% at fault for something. Someone could be 75% at fault, and the other person's 25. If there's more people involved, it could go 25, 25, 25, 25. So it's a division of fault. That happens all the time. You can always recover in Missouri to the extent, even if you're at fault, even if you're at the majority at fault, you can still recover against the person for their part of the accident. In Kansas, you can recover as long as you weren't the majority to blame for the accident.
Can I investigate my own case, or do I need an attorney to help me prove negligence?
Getting an attorney is the best way to present the strongest case for why you're not at fault. We have experience with gathering the police reports, talking to witnesses, and getting accident reconstructionists if we have to do that. Right now, there's a big question of fault in a lawsuit that I'm involved in, and later today I'm going to call the accident reconstructionist to help explain my client's side of the story and present the best case we can.
What can an attorney do to increase the settlement offer that I cannot do?
The single biggest thing that an attorney can do is file a lawsuit. Insurance companies don't really take it as seriously when it's a person who doesn't have any experience in the legal world. They know with a law firm like ours that we will file a lawsuit if our client's not treated fairly. I had a case where I believe my client was offered $12,000, and after we filed a lawsuit and litigated the case, they offered the policy limits of $100,000.